a very inspiring moment for us that you have come and be with us today and witness, along with all the members from different organizations, which includes right from the Dorbar Hima ilakas, where we have 54 ilakas in the jurisdiction of the KHDC, and almost 5,000 villages within these 54 ilakas. And within these villages and localities, we have the Seng Kintay, Seng Lokme, we have the Seng Samlashnong, and within the entire Khasi land, Khasi Jaintia, we have the Kur or the clan organization. And we have almost 5,000 clans up to date, as per one research which has been done by Rafael Wajri. Your presence here, sir, will be a historic moment where the generation to come will know that on this day we have witnessed to empower and recognize the grassroots institution within the Dorbar Shnong, that is the Seng Samla, Seng Lokme, Seng Kintay, to be within this act, to purview of this act. And they are legally recognized from now on. Sir, a few words in Khasi. Sobat ay kublay kerpam nangta jok pi baro kibladan hakani kejaka kiba kentup nadu kis iem kilingdo ki wahadadar ki sardar ki rangba shnong ki sodar shnong ki seng kentay ki seng longkme ki seng samla bat ya baro ki longkme ki longkpa ki para samla kentay bat shenrang ki baidan lang hakani kapor banam kta ya kapor nama kelayat Ngakwa pan ay kublay kelum lang ya baro kitu giblakren haswa nadu kabasdang. Kamtam i kompia jongani ke program i nana lusitas iem. But i kiwe kiblayaram yangi kamtam nadu ki officer jong ka district council i engineers baro but kinong penbiang ya kani ke program. Ngasoru banbu kajingken mau hakani kasngi banbu ikajing ay kuplay kerpang nakamenta baro lai pungud ki MDC jong ka KHDC hakani katem ko pementa kanam la penjer keteng lut ya baro re ya i chairman juni ba lang rambla iba PNCM bat iba Titus Tawel Khan belum i nong ilam kaliam yate bat ya baro ki members pada kawai kamensim da kawai gajimut jong gajing sukya ba jingkit kli kum kinong mikmat kumla ay bor yang ngiling baka 6 schedule bangin late hangtay po district council ban thawan ban yakani ngiladep ban pendap laka kamram ban kam sudeshu lese ban kren chibun hangani kapor ba kibabun kinong kren kilabatay ke ay gajing mentoy jong kinikian kibangilayo hoy kibabun ki jingdan kam kibangihap ban batay Henry kabasutenat mentan bayakini kian kibang lapen bena mentat ladep ru ban penkela syaga ketien Khasi bat yakini ngin sapha no shen nadu kasngining kong syabaro ki hima bakin penpoy yakini syabaro ki shnong nan ba kinla benle kebadan kam ngai kublay kerpang ru ya baro kini ki senjuk jeng kini nong sensyar shnong senjuk jeng ki rambak kur ki Dorbar kur ki seng samla shnong bat ki nong ilam shnong bapher ki bawan ki senjuk ki bapher naso ban ai kublay kerpang nang ta kani kasngi baklawan ban saki bat keba ngilayo ya kani kakam ba kamsan keba khrau keba lingbakaan balai itu ya gajing trekam jong ibaro te kerpat ya Colin Hani kapol na sobhaban ngat penkut no jingkran nomor bangin up sa jingkran jong deputy CM but the honorable governor but nga kenturu ya baro kibawan siya kaniga jingilang lapun kre ekabam jasgi nam tajong pi but ladon ki volunteers penpoy ya baro ki jingbam ki jaka ba pishong sobha ya sha le bangi stakat tu ne bor but ka jaka le shabar ka desha desha parking lot de sobha ban penenkam ya kita ki jaka but ngidon ya kaniga jingpen bena le ni ka notification de nga khot hamni ya ki senjuk jong ki single thai kelempung ki kinthai single thai nangta senjuk nong sensation but ya president jong ka federation sinish kmat ban shimlang ya kini ki notification ngan shu pulie kum bakalong bat rikat bat ki nong ilam jungi badan hangni da kani la penayar hapo ki it ki hima ki ilaka kari khasi ki bahab hapo upur usam jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Shillong bakat kum ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Amendment Act Arhaja Artulai la itu leni recognize bat penkum bor leni empower yiki rangba shnong soda shnong rangba dong sengen thai senglong kme bat seng samla hakishnong bapher katkum ki CMship, Sardarship, Lingdorship, Confederacy, katkum ki kendon pelabu hakanikaan. Labatha yaki Sodarshnong, Rangba dong, Pandan laki jong ki sengen thai senglong kme bat seng samla halaki jong ki shnong katkum bala itu bat kenkup bor da katekaan. Tengah khot hangni yakini bala kala pulia keteng tat subha banwan syakmat bangin bat yakini notification mat kum kadak jing pelak baik ba mentakasni